So I hang paintings all the time for sale in different businesses, and I don't want somebody to bump up against them and have it be hanging crooked for any length of time. I think that would be bad. And the same thing goes with the house. I happen to have a kid who thinks it's hilarious to take my paintings and hang them crooked, but don't tell him. He doesn't do that if they're stuck to the wall, so don't tell him my trick. It's called Scotch Mounting Putty. I tear it off and I put it on the backs of my canvas. And then when I go to hang my canvas, and make sure that it's level first, and then I'll squish it into the wall. And that keeps it from twisting. Anyways, this museum putty is a lifesaver, and it works great for my videos because then the painting is fairly secure to the wall and I can get on with my videos. So see you later for the next tip.